How to delete your Yahoo account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've decided to delete your Yahoo account permanently and remove all the associated data, today in this video we will walk you through steps to delete or deactivate your Yahoo account. So let's just get started. First of all, in order to do that, you can't go through the app. The app doesn't allow us. But what you can do is instead go to a website or a browser and then type in yahoo.login.com or login.yahoo.com and you will be led to this page. So what you're going to do is type in your username or email and just sign in into your account, and I will tell you process to how you can do it. And then once you have successfully reached on this page, what you're gonna do is look up for this option at the upper corner. So here are different options like overview, personal info, security, and recent activity, including privacy controls, wallet, and subscriptions. So you're gonna look out for the option called privacy controls here, which is on this third last option. Just go ahead and tap on it and you will be taken to this page. And then under here, you're going to scroll down a bit until you're able to find this option called delete your Yahoo account. So you're going to go ahead and tap on this option where you can request a deletion of your Yahoo data. It may take about some minute or the time for your account to be deleted, or some days. Just continue with the process after you have read your terms and conditions. Just continue with the process, and you need to enter your email address and login credentials in order to continue with the process. Just go on with the verification, continue, and tap on this yes, delete this account, confirm it, and your account should be deleted. So this is the process you can follow in order to delete your Yahoo account permanently. So that is how you do it. So if you have any second thoughts later on, you can still recover your Yahoo account till 30 days. But if you want to delete it permanently, just don't log in till 30 days and your account will be deleted permanently. So if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.